Hi, I'm Dan the Gold Getter. Welcome to my channel. Do you know that you can make money in a very simple way by selling documents that you used on your studies when you are in college or universities? So today I'll show you which websites you can sell these documents and how you can maximize your earnings. Go to your search engine and search for Studypool. And here you see you can sell your documents so that you can earn money. So click on sell documents. After it has loaded, you see start selling document. You can earn up to 5,000 USD a month. We share your docs with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views your document. So you come and start, you click on start selling. You either sign up. If you don't have an account, you can sign up, and you can sign up with Google or Facebook, or or go to or just put in your email, username and password, or log in. I have an account, so I will log in. After you've logged in, this is the home page. You can see the top earners, how much they have made for selling their documents. You can see what to upload, their quiz and exam preps, old assignments, class notes, multi-language content. So you can upload anything as long as it can educate someone or answer a question. So this is how Studypool works, and you can upload documents and sell those documents.